When is it ethical to share confidential information? Have you ever wondered when it is appropriate to share confidential information? In the world of office assistant careers, this question is vital. Understanding confidentiality is essential for maintaining trust and professionalism. Let's break down the key points. Confidential information includes sensitive data like employee personal details, client records, and company secrets. Sharing this information is ethical only under specific conditions. First, legal requirements or authorization must exist. For instance, if there is a court order or a law that mandates disclosure, sharing is not just ethical but necessary. Next, consider situations where withholding information could lead to serious harm. If someone is at risk of injury or abuse, sharing that information may be justified. It is important to act in the best interest of those involved. Another scenario involves consent. If the individual or organization that owns the confidential information gives clear permission to share it, then it is ethical to do so. Always ensure that this consent is specific and within agreed limits. Additionally, sharing confidential information with colleagues or supervisors can be acceptable when it is necessary for professional duties. This should be done discreetly and only with those who need to know. In an office assistant role, there are practical applications for these principles. For example, ensure that confidential employee files or client data are accessed only by authorized personnel. Following company policies and confidentiality agreements is crucial. It is also important to inform clients or employees about the limits of confidentiality upfront. This helps set clear expectations. When storing and transmitting sensitive information, always use secure methods to protect it. Accidental disclosures can happen, such as sending emails to the wrong recipients or discussing confidential matters in public areas. Being mindful of these risks is essential. Breaching confidentiality without a valid reason can lead to loss of trust, legal consequences, and damage to your professional reputation. Therefore, it is vital for administrative professionals to be clear about when sharing is appropriate. Always prioritize privacy and compliance with laws and organizational policies. Navigating confidentiality in office assistant careers requires a balance of respect for privacy and adherence to legal and professional obligations. By understanding when it is ethical to share confidential information, you can build a trustworthy and professional work environment.